Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on NFC and adding a payment card. This makes your phone ready to transmit payment data. First, open Settings and toggle NFC, then pick a default payment app so the system knows which credential to use. Next, add your card, scan it or type the number, then complete bank verification via SMS or in-app confirmation. Once done, make sure lock screen security is active. Without a secure lock, many banks will block Tap to Pay. You now approach the terminal and wake your phone. Depending on settings, you may need to unlock it. Hold the phone's NFC area near the terminal's reader, usually the back center. Press firmly for 1 to 2 seconds. The terminal and your phone exchange a secure token rather than your card number. That prevents fraud. Watch for a beep, vibration, or check mark on screen to confirm success. If the terminal asks for a receipt or signature, follow the merchant's prompt to finish the sale. Complete by verifying the transaction in your payment app or bank alert. This ensures the charge is correct. If a payment is declined, first try holding the phone again or switch to a different saved card. Then ask the cashier to use chip or swipe as a backup. Make sure your phone battery isn't critically low because some devices disable NFC below about 10%. If problems persist, reboot the phone and re-enable NFC, and make sure your card is still active with the bank.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.